how to buy Roblox Premium with a Paysafecard. Now what we want to do is just click on the three lines in the top left corner, and here we'll just select Get Premium. Now just click on Get Premium once more, and it's going to automatically take us to this page. We just want to select the premium amount which we want to get, and click on Subscribe now. Now it's going to ask us for a payment type, and I'll just refer us to this article. So is Paysafecard a debit card? And it's going to tell us that it's actually a MasterCard. So if we go back to Roblox, you can see the MasterCard icon right here. And what we can do is we can just click on the credit card option. It's going to ask or refer us to the screen where we can input our information. So just input all of your information here for the payment type, and then after we have input this, we can click on Pay and Subscribe, and that's how you get Roblox Premium with a Paysafecard. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.